Hey doc, I want to get my teeth fixed, a smile
Okay.
transformation. I'm kind of having trouble differentiating a crown versus veneer. Can you tell us more?
One of the main factors is how much tooth structure we currently have. If we have a minimal amount of a crown or a tooth, then we really don't have enough structure for a veneer to sit on. A veneer is very conservative in when we start and end. There's some veneers where we don't even have to prepare the tooth, meaning there's no tooth shaving that even needs to happen. Whereas you have a crown, that tooth has probably had a little bit of history. It may have already had a crown. It may have a big, large filling in that tooth before, and we don't want that to show through our filling or our restoration. So we put a full coverage crown on that tooth, and that will give the beautiful aesthetic smile makeover that you're desiring. And no one will know if it's a veneer or a crown.